welcome. In front of me is a Doogee X80 and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. Now to get started we want to open up the standalone contacts app, which is right here. And once it opens, agree to whatever it's going to pop up with if you're opening up for the first time. And from there you want to tap on the three bars right here. And as you can see, I already have some contacts here. I believe those are from my Google account. But let's go to the three dots and go to the settings. At the bottom you should see import option right here. And from here select that you want to import from SIM card. Tap OK. And you should see all the contacts that are located on that SIM card. Now by default it looks like, based on the fact that I'm logged into to my Google account, it wants to save those contacts to the Google account, so you can also change it by tapping on the drop down that you want to save it to the device. And from there, as you can see, you have more contacts available. At least that is my case, because majority of them are already on the Google account. From there you can deselect contacts that you might not want and just keep the ones that you want selected, like so. From there tap on the check mark and you can see the number of contacts imported, and if you go back you should see them right here. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.